How to set timer on iPhone camera. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the camera application on your device. Now tap on the arrow icon on top of your screen and further navigate to the timer option from the bottom and tap on that. Now select your preferred timer countdown based on your preference. You can select either 3 seconds or 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Once selected, press the camera shutter button and with this the countdown will begin based on the time you selected. So this is how you can set timer on iPhone camera. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.